Hello guys. So today I came at in Jaipur to saw Akshardham temples. Thought that I some ideas about these temples to my viewers. So after the search of the history of this temple on Google's and on walls of these temples to known about that the history, the oldest history, what is the history of the temples, and who built this temple. So the built from this by the temples, Bachan Swami Sri Akshar Purushottam Swami Narayan, and here not a single place in India situated Akshardham temples. Approximately 10 places in India Akshardham temples also there. Name is Ahmedabad, Junagadh, Dholka, Bhuj, Muli, Dholera, Vettal, Delhi and Jaipur. And except from India, the Swaminarayan temples also situated there. So name is Sydney, Melbourne, West Australia. This temple is also the both names is Akshardham temple, also known as the Swaminarayan temple, and some are also called this temple is Lakshmi Narayan temples. So no confuse no confuse about both name is Lakshmi Narayan temple and also called and name is Lakshmi Narayan and Swami Narayan Mandir. So both name are same name of that this temples. So let's start the about the environment of these temples. The greenery and the oldest architecture is very attractive to come peoples again and again. Not our country, it's a foreigner also come here. It's a famous architecture for every to know about that places. The main month or to come came here is October, and then the March is the famous time period because the minimum temperature of the Jaipur, and here the main time to come here is the morning and evening time is very famous to attractive and temperature, and the greenery also attractive there. And if a tourist has came there, then the some facilities are available here, and some hotels inside in it one hotels and outside from an unknown hotels are is situated there. So so total our share some ideas about these temples. So thank you watching this video.